Hello, my name is Mike and this is the home of Guns and Horsepower. Thanks for joining me for today's video where I try to troubleshoot sticky and notchy throttle. This is my son's Honda CRF80f. He's only had it for a few months, taken it out a couple times, and each time after it gets dirty it literally would stick. It was sticking just yesterday, but of course right now, oh, there we go. There we go. So I've sprayed some lube. I've been there a couple times. It took care of the issue, but it just came right back. I know I've never done motorcycle videos on the channel before, but before I started the channel, I rode street bikes for over 17 years and always worked on my bikes myself. So hopefully I can figure this out.
Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see what the problem is. There we go. Whew. Don't necessarily see anything wrong. There is some gunk on the cable there. Go ahead and slide this all the way off if I can. There we go. Now we can take a closer look. So I don't see anything broke. Oh, there's a lot of dirt in there. I don't know if you can catch that. It's a bit dirty. That tan part, that's dirt. So go ahead and clean this up. I have some, it's like a cable lube. Spray some of that into the cable here. Try to get it, try to get it down into where the cable goes as best I can. Looks like there's a little spacer there. Maybe that one comes out and give me a little more access. First time I've opened this thing up, so yeah, it comes out. Okay, so yeah, there we go. There we go. So we'll spray it up, clean up all this, get a little bit of lube on the handle here, and reassemble it and see how it functions. Got the fuel turned off. Go ahead and pull this a little bit, try to get some lube work its way down into the cable. Went ahead and cleaned this up with some silicone spray. It's a dry lube, so nothing, won't stick, won't have dirt stick to it. Got a little bit of silicone sprayed in here too, not much. Then I wiped it off. I just want a little bit of film, and that's a like a dry spray lubricant, so it won't attract dirt or anything. And it looks like inside this channel here, there's supposed to be a little bit of grease. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of bearing grease to that as well. I have like a Bell Ray. I used to use it on my street bikes all the time. It's like a waterproof grease. It looks like that. It's kind of a blue-green color. Well, it doesn't want to focus there. Just a little bit. I don't want it to gunk up. I'm just going to put a little bit like that. Just a little layer there, so when I lay the cable in, it'll press down into the spot. Just a little bit where the head goes there. And on this piece as well, this is like the guide for it, so I'm going to put a little in that channel as well right there. And then right where the cable comes out at the end as well. That should be enough. I don't want to overdo it. I don't want stuff to build up in there. Let's see now if I can get this back together. Right in here, this groove right in here, I just put it together and I can feel it's gritty. And I see little bits of dirt in there. That must have been stuff that came out of the cable. Through. this side too has that channel, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Go ahead and clean it out. Got a little bit of this silicone spray lube here. Right there is too long. I'm going to see if I can find one that's the right length. Alright, here's what I discovered, which was probably leading to the dirt getting in. You can see this gap right here. Runs all the way through here. This screw is not original. It doesn't match the color of the top one. It's not black. It's a little bit longer is what I discovered. So even though I'm turned all the way in, I can't close that gap. So up here you can see there's no gap. This would be the line right here. So I went ahead and found a screw that's the right length and thread. It's just not a Phillips. It's a Allen head. Work for now. Oh, let me go ahead and show you. So someone before me had replaced it with this one. Let's see, I'll show you there. And as you can see, it's a lot longer. So the throttle wasn't closing up all the way. Let's see if that gap goes away. Oh yeah, now we're able to. There we go. Doesn't go away completely, but right here you can see it's sealed up. Where before it was wide open. Go ahead and tighten this up. Oops, I don't think I have it back in the right spot. Oops, I gotta loosen this one too. I don't think I have it slid all the way on. There we go. You can see here, those were the marks in the original location, so I'm going to go ahead and put it back. And it looks like that's exactly where it was, according to the marks. So I'll set it with this one. There we go. Now tighten this one. Oh yeah. There's still a gap, but it's better. It was a lot bigger before and I couldn't get it tight all the way, so only this bolt was really holding the throttle in position. So let's go ahead and twist it. Much better than before, I can tell you that. I guess you didn't really have much reference, but it was sticking, not snapping back. It was real gritty, especially after a ride. It would just hold and stick right there when you let go. Oh, that was it. Nothing broken. Nothing looked worn out. Just needed cleaned up, lubed, and tightened properly. Well, there you have it. The sticky throttle on the Honda seems to be taken care of. Go out, take it out tomorrow for a test and see how it performs. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Browse the channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.